Alright, so I really love this F-150, but this fuel door is toast. I took that for granted, how nice that is. It's not good. It's been coming out when I'm driving in the wind and stuff. And I figure we probably need to fix it before I lose this whole door, because it is pretty floppy. So I saw a guy do it in a video, but it was like a 2011 F-150, so we're gonna try it and see if it's the same on this thing. Should be similar. Okay, let's get into her. Supposedly you gotta take this little cap off to start. A little worthless cap. Okay, that worked. Okay, so take that cap off, and then these are, I think, 8s. Yep, seems to be an 8mm. We're gonna take this whole part out. Tried to bust the paint up too much here on this antique. Come here, honey. Boom. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna get this thing off there. I'll be right back. This is my handy dandy. Use this little deal. Ah, there we go. Look at that action. You get the old Ford symbol in there. That's how you know it's real. Just like that. Okay. So now, supposedly that comes out. I'm trying to pry this thing out of here. I'm gonna call timeout. All right, we're back. You absolutely cannot see where these tabs are supposed to be, but we're gonna, wow, there's no clearance in this thing. About to get ticked off. About to get real ticked off. It's usually not the answer though. Gotta stay stoic. It's really in there.
Have to wear one of these? Ah! Boy, that's really on there.
Here's the tab, maybe. Seems like there's a tab right there. Let's see that one. And hopefully. Maybe the other one's right here. Sounded like it. Unless I just broke something. Oh yeah, I did. Don't go through the rubber part. Pro tip. Come on, you little. Okay, I'm gonna hold that with my hand. Go for that one. You like that?
You like that? You like that?
Okay. Now you just gotta jiggle it just a little bit. It should come out of here, is what I've seen by other people. Oh, what the fuck? There we go. Okay. We're making money moves here. I think this has to go in, then you can pull her out. Yeah, you just gotta rotate her that way. That's how you pull out, Dad. So yeah, this is usually what they say goes wrong. Looks the same. You're supposed to just pop that back in. Is that right? That's what's making it flop. What a sweet design. Come on now, Ford. I thought the homie just popped it right through, but where'd you go? I think it helps take the spring off, pretty sure. Or just loosen it. Okay. Everybody knows you don't want any dirt in your fuel on your engine. That's the real. That ain't a real good deal. So, give it a little splash. Ain't been this pretty since 2010. Look at that gem. Popped up out of place is what happens. Now I gotta figure out how to get it back into place. There we go. There we go. That's crazy. That's all it is, huh? That's pretty wild. All right, we're back. This is not that hard once you get it back on there, but get that to line up. It seems like it's easiest to take this off. I'll re-show you. Okay. All right, so you take her out of there. There you go. Start like this. Leave it up in there. And then that goes like this. And it's got to give her some effort, but it's kind of scared me. I don't want to break this plastic piece off and really be screwed. Keep her closed. Support it here maybe so you don't bust it. And then you just throw her on. Like that. And then she should work like normal. Believe it or not. Oh, that's a familiar feeling that I forgot about. Boom. Wow. Boom. 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 Hopefully that works and stays that way. So we'll put her back in now. Let's get this all cleaned up here too. Big clean guy. Good fertilizer for the grass there too. Figured we'd do an outdoor garage today because it's kind of a beautiful Easter day today. Happy Easter, everybody. Bless up. Keep her clean, baby. Gosh, that would just be great. Now we gotta make sure we can get her back in here. Now your little gas hole kind of falls down, but I think that'll be okay. As long as we get her back into here. Make it feel supported. You just want to be a little careful around the paint. Okay. That's just a little bit of dirt. I've been procrastinating this for like since October, so just five months, 6 months. Oh, look at her now. This is how a Raptor should be treated. You don't want to treat it like a Subaru or a Toyota or one of those communism cars. Those things suck. So you want to be good to your American-made vehicle here. Oh, my Toyota's made as much in America as your Ford. No, it's not. It's just not. Look it up. Especially the Raptors. Don't even talk to me about that. Made in Michigan. None of your communist. Oh, my Toyota's so American. Nothing American about it, buddy. It looks like a bag of rice. It's got the same horsepower as a bag of rice. It's just a bag of rice. So let's not compare. Anyway, back to the task at hand. I'm gonna stick it in. My pops was good about sticking it in. This is the part he was the master at, and I could call him up for this. And the hammer. Get up. See, it's always like, how forceful do I be? Do I just pound it in there? Oh, you just gotta find there's a sweet spot. Gotta find that magical sweet spot sometimes. If I turn it. Yes. No way that's in there. Like, oh yeah, it's not in there that good. Gotta line it up still. Don't get in there, you rascal. There we go. Hopped her through, baby. Come on now. Oh, that is exciting. That makes me excited just because it's been such a wreck for so long. This hasn't been that hard, to be honest. Is it snapped in? You're kidding me. That is not that hard. Oops. A left tap. I'm sorry. It's not like that, guys. It's not like that, Alan. But yeah, I saw some people reaching under here and trying to find the tab by hand. That just seemed ridiculous. I would just aim for these two tabs that are about in here where these outdents are, and just try and get your screwdriver in there and pop it out that way, because I couldn't even get my hand up to this one. Maybe this one I could, but don't waste your time with that. Okay. Okay. Toy, like a toy guy. I think this just snaps right back on there. So that's good. Slide our little disc back on there. You gotta look on the back, and then I think you'll find the spot. Oh. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, gosh. Wow. I took that for granted. How nice that is. So, that's all, folks. Wow. I'm scared that it's not going to hold, but seems like it's going to hold. Unless you're just an asshole and just whip it open like an ass hat. Frick yeah. Okay, so if you have that problem on your Gen 1 Raptor, that's how you fix it. Pretty easy. Open her up, pop those 2 tabs. Don't even try and go underneath there. It's pretty worthless for me. And that's it. There's not a 3rd tab. I heard someone maybe say there was a 3rd tab. I didn't see a 3rd tab. And then just turn it a little bit, wiggle it out. It should come out easy if you get it in the right spot. Line it up, slide it back in. That's it. If that helped and you like top G content, you know what to do. Peace out. You just don't get that kind of style out of anything, out of any freaking ugly foreign Toyota turd. Toyota TRD stands for turd. This is America right here.